Beats by Nevs.
Hey everyone, Joffrey here and welcome back to my channel. Today we have the Moto G84 5G, one of the latest offering from Motorola in the mid-range segment, and it comes with some impressive features and a specification. In this review, I will share to you my experience with this device and tell you why it is the great choice for anyone looking for a mid-range phone with a stylish and powerful smartphone. But before that, if you are new here in this channel, please don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss all my latest gadget reviews. Let's get started. The Moto G84 5G has a stunning design with a 6.55-inch P-OLED display that supports 120Hz refresh rate and 10-bit billion colors. The display is bright, crisp, and smooth, and it offers a great viewing experience for watching videos, playing games, and browsing the web as well. The phone also has a premium vegan leather finish at the back, which looks and feels amazing. The phone is also IP54 water resistant and it has a fingerprint sensor under the display. The Moto G84 5G is powered by the Snapdragon 695 5G, a 6nm chipset with a clock speed of Octacore 2.2 GHz that delivers fast and smooth performance. The phone also has 12GB of RAM and 256GB of internal storage, which is more than enough for multitasking and storing your photos, videos, and application. It also runs on Android 13 out of the box, which is the latest version of the operating system, and it offers a clean and user-friendly interface. Now, moving on to the camera. This phone has a dual rear camera setup consisting of a 50MP main camera with f1.9 aperture, with OIS and ultra-pixel technology, and an 8MP ultra-wide camera with f2.2 aperture and autofocus as well. The main camera can capture stunning photos and videos in any lighting condition, thanks to the large sensor size and the optical image stabilization. The ultra-wide camera can capture more of the scene and add a new perspective to your shots. The phone also has a 16MP front selfie camera, which can take selfies and video calls with good quality. Now, in relation with the performance, the Moto G84 5G has a 5000 mAh battery, which can last for a whole day of moderate to heavy usage. The phone also supports 33 watts fast charging, which can charge the phone from 0 to 50% in just 30 minutes. It also has a stereo speaker with Dolby Atmos and Moto Special sounds, which provide a rich and immersive sound experience. The phone also has a 3.5mm headphone jack, NFC, FM radio, and hybrid SIM slot. Now, the Moto G84 5G is a great smartphone for anyone who wants a stylish and powerful device that can handle anything you throw at it. The phone has a stunning display, a premium design, a fast processor, a large memory and storage, great camera, long-lasting battery, and a lot of features. The phone is priced at 799 dirhams now here in Dubai, or around 11,500 pesos in the Philippines, which is a very reasonable price for what it offers. The phone is available in 3 colors. There are Viva Magenta, Midnight Blue, and Marshmallow Blue. Alright guys, that's our quick review of the latest Moto G84 5G. I hope you enjoyed it and found it helpful. If you did, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more exciting tech reviews like this. Thanks for watching and I'll see you tomorrow. Peace out.